With Elai, powered by Panopto, creating personal, interactive, generative AI videos is easy. Let me show you how to get started with creating a video using an avatar and embed interactivity to personalize the learning journey in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, select an avatar on the Elai dashboard. Choose from pre-designed options or upload your own. Once selected, it's added to your video automatically. You can adjust its size and position later in the editor. Now that your avatar is ready, you can make all the edits in the video editor. Insert new slides or rearrange existing ones to structure your content. Enter your script in the text editor. Apply templates to the entire video for a cohesive design or customize individual slides with different styles. Once your slides are ready, enhance engagement with interactive elements. Organize content into sections, allowing viewers to navigate easily. Add customizable buttons to link viewers to resources. Add multiple choice quizzes to test knowledge or reinforce learning. Customize the feedback for each response to guide your audience and keep them engaged. Let viewers choose their path for a dynamic, personalized experience. Use the AI Storyboard to enhance your video. It helps with generating ideas, updating slide titles, rewriting text, and refining the overall flow of your story. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created an interactive, personalized video with your avatar in Elai. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out.